Hi there, this is John Hall from Kion, and today I'm going to talk to you about savings opportunities. Savings opportunities are checks that we run inside of the Kion platform against every account that you've actually added into Kion for management. And we will go out and identify two different things with savings opportunities. First of all, we identify decommissioning opportunities. Those are just resources that we think you can get rid of. And we identify right sizing opportunities. And those are resources that we think that you could change and save some money on them, even though they're in use. Let's look at decommissioning opportunities first. These are things that we don't see are actually used. And so we see this list of resources out here inside of our demo environment. And if we go to one of these, we have a couple of different options for the things that we could do. First off, I want to know why exactly this has been identified. And so if I open up the details, I can see that this is a classic load balancer that doesn't actually have any instances behind it. So it's not actually going to service anything, and therefore it's wasting money. If I have access, I can terminate this resource directly from the Kion console. And so I don't even have to federate into the cloud. I could also do two other things here. I could mark this opportunity as applied. So maybe I want to manually take action on this. And so if I mark it applied, it's going to make it disappear just until we run the check again, which will be on the next day. Or maybe I want to dismiss this because this is correct in my environment and I know what I'm doing. Either way, we have those for the decommissioning opportunities. If we go back, we can take a look at the right sizing opportunities inside of the platform. Right sizing is a little different because instead of getting rid of the resource, we think you can scale the resource down in order to save money. And so once again, if we look at the details, we can see that this is an RDS instance that's really not using a lot of CPU, and therefore that's why we identified it. And we give you all the appropriate information to see what's going on. Now, underneath the actions menu, you can go and mark this as applied or dismissed. But if you want to actually resize the resource, you would hop into the cloud account and take those resource actions appropriately. Those are probably going to cause downtime in your environment. So that's why you want to make a plan for that. Now, we've been viewing this at the global view. So we have a global savings opportunity view if you want to see everything inside of Kion. But as a project stakeholder, you may only be interested in what's on your individual project. And we can see here, as a stakeholder, I might be interested in only the scope of my own project. And so with that being the case, this is my view of everything that belongs to my project. I see my different opportunities down here where I can click on these and get that same detail that we saw with the global view, but now it's just scoped down. Once again, I can click on this view details. I have the same set of actions on here, but this allows me as an individual project stakeholder to see the same information and take that same action. Hopefully that explains savings opportunities for you. Let me know if you have any questions.